Everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So guys, or dress up. I want to go out. I want to go and make my hair. I want to go and lose this braid, lose and wash my hair and get my hair done. I don't know what I'll be doing. Actually, I don't know which kind of what hairstyle I will be doing, but I think I'm just going to lose it and wash. Then I will weave my natural hair or something, but let's see. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know I believe her. I'm the one who gets to be her. I see the signs that I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer, never lie. I stay in my height, let the world follow behind. I know it's on how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to decide. No, I'll never lie. Oh, I stay in my height. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Hello guys, hello. So I just came back home, guys. I just came back, and this is my hair. They wash my hair, and I have to make my natural hair. Just did some weaving, and I got my nails done, and also my toenails. So this is my nails. And I also stopped at the supermarket. I got some things. I actually bought this one from the shop close to where I make my hair. Is fish. There's beef and fish inside, and there is turkey also inside this nylon. You see, I have to quickly put it in the fridge. So guys, I got watermelon. Watermelon. Ta-da! This one. Some juice. Of course, this I can never forget this one. I love chocolate, Viju milk chocolate. I love it so much. Sister Chi, I know you'll be watching this video. Is it this Viju milk you said you like? This chocolate Viju milk. Home cooked milk. I got granite oil, golden terra, 3 liter. 3 liter. I bought the shortbread. I don't really like sweet biscuits that much. I don't know. If it's too sweet, some diffuser. Ta-da! I got funny. I got this small filter. See what I got. So guys, that is all for now. So guys, I have to go now. I have to go and shower. I'm so tired. The rain was so heavy. The rain was too much. Serious rain. So guys, I have to go and shower and relax. Okay, see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like my videos, drop your comment at the comment section, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Bye.